This felt table runner is inspired by the Cathrineholm Lotus design, a mid-century classic. Start by cutting out a rectangular table runner from your main felt color in your preferred size. I made mine 13 by 70 inches to fit my table. Next, trace around the Lotus stencils to create lotus leaf shapes in your second felt color. You can get these printable stencils from the link in the description. Then cut out the leaf shapes and pin them to your table runner in your preferred layout. I spaced mine about 1.5 inches apart from each other and centered along the width of the table runner with 2 inches above and below. Sew the lotus leaves in place and you're done. Click the link in the description to get the stencils and see more details about this project.